You've been lied to, not straight up lied to, but definitely misled, because if fat loss was as simple as drinking apple cider vinegar or lemon water, we'd all be walking around shredded. Most people are sipping lemon water every morning thinking it's a metabolic miracle, but they might be choosing the wrong acid entirely. While one of these rituals is backed by clinical studies on fat oxidation, the other might just be an expensive way to erode your tooth enamel. We are putting apple cider vinegar and lemon juice head to head to see which one actually moves the needle on your metabolic rate, so let's settle this once and for all. Which one actually burns fat? Apple cider vinegar or lemon water, and more importantly, is either of them even worth your time? What's up, guys? Today we're breaking down one of the most hyped weight loss debates on the internet. No trends, no influencer nonsense, just real science, real facts, and what actually works in the real world. By the end of this video, you'll know what each drink actually does inside your body, whether it helps burn fat or not, and which one you should be using daily. Let's get into it. Look, weight loss is already confusing enough. You've got detox drinks, fat burners, teas, hacks, shortcuts, all promising quick results, and apple cider vinegar and lemon water? They're at the top of that list. People swear by them. They say, it melts belly fat, it boosts metabolism, it detoxes your body. Sounds amazing, right? But here's the truth. If you don't understand what these actually do, you're just guessing, and guessing doesn't get you results. So let's break it down, starting with apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar, aka ACV, is basically fermented apple juice. But the real star here is something called acetic acid. That's the compound doing most of the work. ACV is actually super low in calories, like 3 calories per tablespoon. It's not loaded with vitamins or minerals, so don't expect it to be some nutrient powerhouse. But what it does have is acetic acid, trace enzymes, some probiotics, if it's raw and unfiltered. What it does in your body, here's where things get interesting. 1. It helps control blood sugar. ACV slows down how quickly your body absorbs carbs. That means fewer blood sugar spikes and fewer crashes, and when your blood sugar is stable, you're less likely to overeat. 2. It increases satiety, means you feel full faster. Studies show people who take ACV before meals tend to eat fewer calories. Not because it burns fat, but because it makes you feel full. 3. It may slightly boost fat metabolism. There's some evidence, mostly from animal studies, that acetic acid can help your body burn fat more efficiently. But don't get it twisted, this is not some magic fat melting effect. ACV does not burn fat directly. It just helps create conditions that make fat loss easier. Less hunger, better blood sugar control, lower calorie intake. That's it. Now let's talk about lemon water. This one's been hyped as a detox drink forever. But does it actually do anything new? Lemon water is basically water, lemon juice, that's it. But lemons do contain vitamin C, antioxidants, small amounts of potassium, still super low calorie, like 5 to 10 calories per glass. What it does in your body. 1. Hydration boost. This is the biggest one. A lot of people don't drink enough water. Adding lemon just makes it easier and tastier to stay hydrated. And hydration is huge for fat loss. Why? Because dehydration can slow metabolism and increase hunger. 2. Supports digestion. Lemon water may help stimulate digestive juices. Some people feel less bloated when they drink it regularly. 3. Slight metabolism support. There's no direct fat burning effect, but staying hydrated helps your body function better overall. And yes, hydration plays a role in calorie burning, but again, it's indirect. Lemon water does not burn fat either. It's basically just flavored water with a little vitamin boost. No detox magic, no fat melting power. Alright, let's put them side by side. When it comes to fat burning, apple cider vinegar has a slight edge, but don't expect anything crazy. It doesn't directly burn fat, it just helps a little by improving how your body handles blood sugar. Lemon water, on the other hand, doesn't really contribute to fat burning at all. So yeah, ACV wins here, but just barely. For appetite control. Apple cider vinegar clearly comes out on top. It can help you feel fuller, which means you're less likely to overeat. Lemon water doesn't really have that effect, so if controlling hunger is the goal, ACV is the better pick. Now hydration. That's where lemon water shines. Apple cider vinegar is pretty neutral here, but lemon water makes plain water more enjoyable, so you naturally drink more of it. And staying hydrated is key for overall health and weight loss. So this round goes to lemon water. Metabolism. Looking at metabolism, apple cider vinegar again has a slight advantage. It can support metabolism indirectly by keeping blood sugar levels more stable. Lemon water only helps in this area through hydration, which is helpful, but not as impactful. So ACV takes this one too, but just by a small margin. When it comes to nutrients, lemon water is the clear winner. It gives you vitamin C and antioxidants, while apple cider vinegar doesn't really offer much in terms of nutrition. So if you're looking for added health benefits beyond weight loss, lemon water is the better choice. Side effects. When it comes to side effects, you've got to be a little smart about both. Apple cider vinegar is the harsher one. It's highly acidic, so if you drink it straight or go overboard, it can mess with your tooth enamel and irritate your stomach. Lemon water is also acidic, but it's way gentler in comparison. Still, if you're sipping it all day without care, it can affect your teeth too. Both are fine if you use them right, but moderation is non-negotiable. The big truth about fat loss. It's the part nobody wants to hear. Neither of these drinks burns fat. Not in the way people think. Fat loss comes down to one thing: calorie deficit. That means you're burning more calories than you're eating. That's it. No drink, no supplement, no hack can replace that. What these drinks can do is help you stay consistent. ACV helps control appetite, lemon water helps you stay hydrated, and consistency, that's what actually gets results. So, which one wins? If we're talking strictly about weight loss support, apple cider vinegar takes the edge. Why? Because it helps you eat less, and eating less equals easier calorie deficit. But let's keep it 100. The difference is small, like really small. If your diet is trash and you're not moving your body, neither of these is gonna save you. If you do want to use them, here's how. Apple cider vinegar. 1 to 2 tablespoons, mix with water, drink before meals, always dilute it, protect your teeth and stomach. Lemon water. Squeeze half a lemon into water, drink anytime, especially morning. It's a great replacement for sugary drinks. At the end of the day, there's no shortcut, no magic drink, no secret hack, just smart habits, consistency, and doing the basics right. Use these drinks if they help you stay on track. But don't rely on them to do the work for you, because fat loss, that's on you. If you want more real, no BS weight loss breakdowns like this, hit that subscribe button.